Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use buttermilk for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Buttermilk can help those who suffer from hemorrhoids in a very natural way. Buttermilk should not be seen as high in calories and high-fat milk that is not good for us. How to use buttermilk for hemorrhoids. Drinking buttermilk daily will help regulate your bowel movements and help to cure hemorrhoids and constipation. Adding carom seeds and a pinch of rock salt further help to cure hemorrhoids and ease constipation. Treating hemorrhoids with buttermilk. Many recent medical studies have advised the necessity of drinking buttermilk for hemorrhoids because it contains beneficial bacteria that contribute significantly to increasing the colon's function and prevent constipation, as it reduces digestive disorders and digestive indigestion, and so drinking reduces the chances of constipation. Some uses of buttermilk for hemorrhoids. To use, adding a tablespoon of some cooking oil to buttermilk helps the stool slide through the anal canal and hemorrhoids more easily, but it is advised not to use this method for a long time. It is advised to drink a cup of sour buttermilk plus a pinch of or rock salt, halite, it's a type of salt, twice a day. Wheat germ can be obtained from mills in the form of a coarse powder, which is sprinkled on buttermilk, or it can be soaked in buttermilk for a third of an hour and then drunk in the morning or evening as a snack. Use a spoonful of turmeric in warm buttermilk daily. You can drink buttermilk in the wake of putting it in a warm spot at least for 2 days to expand the degree of bacterial yeast, because the higher the degree of bacterial yeast in the buttermilk, the more advantageous microorganisms it contains, which will help you with hemorrhoids as fast as possible. By adding carom seeds and little rock salt to 1 glass of buttermilk helps to cure hemorrhoids and especially constipation, which is one cause of hemorrhoids. Onion with buttermilk is also another way to drink buttermilk that will help you to ease the pain of hemorrhoids. Using buttermilk with haritaki powder for hemorrhoids. When using a combination of haritaki powder and buttermilk can do very good for someone that aren't bothered with gas and bloating problems, which also can be a problem when suffering from hemorrhoids. Use it like this: add little rock salt and a tablespoon of haritaki powder to the buttermilk, mix well and drink twice a day. How much buttermilk should you drink a day for hemorrhoids? Scientists' research has not only focused on the benefits of buttermilk, but also on how much a person can consume to achieve these results. They found that drinking 2 to 3 cups of buttermilk daily can reduce cholesterol levels and help you treat hemorrhoids. What is buttermilk? Buttermilk is an extremely healthy drink when you drink it regularly. It contains many nutrients like phosphorus, calcium, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. Fat in buttermilk is almost non-existing. When drinking buttermilk regularly benefits your overall health. Buttermilk is known as a liquid resulting from the process of removing the fat layer after mixing cream in butter, and the process of making milk is done by preparing buttermilk from skim milk, or low-fat milk, by fermenting it with bacteria that produce lactic acid, which adds more density to the milk. Compared with regular milk, buttermilk made from skim milk is mainly composed of water, as water forms 90% of buttermilk, lactose milk sugar is about 5%, casein protein is about 3%, and milk made from milk contains little. The fat on small amounts of butter is about 2%. Other benefits of buttermilk: helps with constipation. Drinking buttermilk every day helps with bowel movements and getting rid of hemorrhoids, and you won't get constipated that easily due to the nutritious and healthy benefits of the drink. Avoid having buttermilk before you go sleep and at nighttime. Improve digestion. Probiotic microbes in buttermilk help to enhance digestion and positively affect the immune system. It prevents the spread of unhealthy bacteria in the body, so it can be used in the treatment and prevention of infections that affect the stomach and diarrhea. Especially yogurt that contains ginger and cumin, it helps to calm the digestive system, prevent indigestion and flatulence. Helping ease heartburn. Treating stomach acidity. Buttermilk contains lactic acid that helps control stomach acid and balance excess stomach acidity. Some believe that warm milk helps prevent acidity, but some tests showed that buttermilk's effect on acidity is only a temporary effect. It may cause increased stomach acid secretion for a period of at least 3 hours, so it is better to drink a cup of buttermilk instead of milk. Reducing blood pressure. Reducing blood pressure. Buttermilk contains a protein that works to lower cholesterol levels in the blood, as a recent study was published in the Journal of Nutrition, which showed that daily consumption of buttermilk coffee can help reduce blood pressure for individuals suffering from mild or moderate high blood pressure. Buttermilk is a natural antibiotic for hemorrhoids. A cup of buttermilk is a natural capsule of antibiotics. Studies conducted around the world show that the active bacteria and buttermilk products released in the intestine are nothing but broad-spectrum natural antibiotics. Scientists have been able to isolate 7 natural antibiotics from yogurt and other fermented milk, some of which can kill bacteria to the same degree or even greater than the antibiotics, such as terramycin. From many studies conducted in Japan, Italy, Switzerland, and the United States, it is clear that buttermilk can boost the immunity of animals and humans, as it can lead to the formation of immune bodies. What are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids, everyone has them. These are the veins based around the anal area. The problem is when they expand. As a result, a lump forms in the anus, causing pain and burning. Hemorrhoids are a group of dilated veins located in 2 places in the anus: below, between the skin of the anus and the sphincter, they are the external hemorrhoids, and further upstream, they are the internal hemorrhoids. When they swell, they help the rectum to close more tightly. Internal hemorrhoids become a problem when the ligaments that hold them back relax. Internal hemorrhoids slide down, carrying the mucous membrane to the anus. This is called hemorrhoidal prolapse. The hemorrhoids can then ooze and bleed. But usually, it doesn't cause pain. External hemorrhoids. However, when external hemorrhoids dilate excessively, a blood clot can form and block the vessel. Pain then appears. It is the hemorrhoidal crisis. The condition of hemorrhoids is an indication of the presence of inflammation in or near the anal passage, so that it is located on the inner or outer side of the anal cavity, which leads to irritation of the area and the occurrence of blood bleeding sometimes. This increases the feeling of pain and discomfort, and the condition is exacerbated by following a wrong diet, or some wrong treatment methods that may be followed by some that negatively affect the area. When all the home treatments and remedies that you have tried and the hemorrhoids are still bothering you, then you can go online and get help from this method that has helped thousands of people with hemorrhoids already. You shouldn't just be quiet about your problems. The goal is to get rid of the hemorrhoids and live a healthy life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.